Exercise number 59. Number 1. Fusion, infusion, vision, provisions, revision, sessions, mission, submission, admission. Number 2. Nation, tension, attention, examinations, mention, manipulation. Number 3. Oppression, depression, expressions, liberation, station, visitation, hesitation, illustration, section, transactions. Number 4. Fiction, suffocation, navigation, location, dislocation, selection, ligation. Number 5. Passion, occupation, caution, precaution, application, auction, erection, rations, exploration. Number 6. Petition, partition, repetition, dictation, flotation, edition, magician. Full stop.